Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Michael, and today we've got an exciting and super simple workout to kickstart your fitness journey. Whether you've never worked out before or you're just getting back into it, this 10-minute full body workout is perfect for beginners. And the best part? You don't need any equipment, just your body and a little bit of space. So, if you're ready to get moving and start feeling stronger, let's dive in. Alright, so before we get started, let me explain what we'll be doing. This workout is designed to target every major muscle group in your body, arms, legs, core, and everything in between. Each exercise will be quick, around 40 seconds of work followed by a 20-second rest. If you're just starting, don't worry if it feels challenging at first, that's how you know you're building strength and improving your fitness. We'll be focusing on form, so take it slow if you need to, and remember, this is your workout, so listen to your body. Let's get ready to go. Okay. Let's start with our first exercise, jumping jacks. This will get your heart rate up and get your body warmed up. Ready? Let's go. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. Alright, keep those arms moving and your legs wide. If jumping is too much, feel free to step side to side instead of jumping. Just keep that movement going. Breathe through it. Great job, keep it up. We're almost there, stay light on your feet. You've got this. Nice work. Now take a quick rest and shake out your legs. Next up, we've got bodyweight squats. Let's get ready. Exercise 2, bodyweight squats. Feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower yourself down as if you're sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. If you want to make it easier, don't go as deep into the squat. Just focus on getting your form right, we'll work up to it. Exercise 3, push-ups. Next, we're hitting the chest and arms with push-ups. You can do them on your knees if the regular push-up is too challenging. Keep those hands about shoulder width apart and your body straight. Let's go. Push-ups are great for building upper body strength. If you need to take a break, that's totally okay. Keep your core engaged and push through those last few seconds. Exercise 4, glute bridges. Now, let's move on to glute bridges. Lie on your back, feet flat on the floor, knees bent. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down slowly. Great job, this one works your glutes and hamstrings, and it's awesome for your core as well. Keep squeezing at the top of the movement for maximum benefit. Exercise 5, plank. Now let's hit the core with a plank. You can drop to your knees if the full plank is too much. Keep your back straight and your core tight. We're holding here for 40 seconds, let's go. Remember, keep breathing and focus on holding that position. It's okay to rest if you need to, but challenge yourself to hold for as long as possible. Exercise 6, standing side crunches. Now let's target the obliques with some standing side crunches. Stand tall, hands behind your head, and bring your elbow towards your knee on each side. Really twist through your torso. Great for your waistline and your core. Make sure you're engaging those abs as you twist. Keep a nice controlled pace. Exercise 7, high knees. Let's get that heart rate back up with high knees. Drive those knees up as high as you can and keep moving quickly. If jumping is too intense, just march in place. Keep your core tight, and your arms should be moving too, just like you're running in place. You're doing awesome. Exercise 8, next, let's work the back with Superman holds. Lay on your stomach, extend your arms and legs out, then lift them off the floor and hold. Think of lifting your chest and legs toward the ceiling, engaging your lower back and glutes. Hold and breathe through it. Exercise 9, squat to calf raise. Finisher. Now, let's finish strong with squat to calf raises. Squat down, then as you come up, raise up onto your toes. This works your legs and calves while finishing off your body. Keep your core engaged, and make each movement controlled. You're almost there, just a few more seconds. Awesome job, everyone, you did it, a full body workout in just 10 minutes. How good does that feel? Remember, consistency is key. It's not about doing it perfectly, it's about showing up and getting better every day. If you're just starting, don't rush it. Keep pushing yourself, and you'll start seeing those results. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this workout helped you take that first step on your fitness journey. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and pound the notification button so you never miss a workout. Also, let me know in the comments how you did, or if you have any questions about the exercises. I'm here to help. Until next time, keep moving, stay strong, and have a great day.